Hi Jeremiah, this is Jennifer, the librarian from SWIC. I just wanted to make a little video to help you with your searches at the library. You can get to the library webpage by clicking on Community, and you can see the library link here, or you can go to Student Services, and you'll see the library link over here, and you'll land on this page. Below the picture, you'll see the search widget, and a good place to start is on the Article tab using our EBSCO databases. And all you need to type in is education and inequality and United States. That seemed to be a really great search. Once you type in education and inequality and United States, click go. You'll land on a page that has about 7,000 articles that are available to you. You'll see the title. If you want a little summary about them, you can click on the link, the title link for that article, and it'll give you a little summary. So you can see if it's something that you want to kind of look at the whole thing about. If it's full text, you'll see the full text here in the left column or right underneath the citation information here under the number. So if it's full text, you can see those listed right there. Now, if you find one that's not full text that you read about and you're like, oh, I really wish I could get access to this article, just send me a quick email and I can usually find it either from another university or on the dark side of the web. You can just click the email button. You can put your email in here. That'll be your email, and you can send it to me. And the only message you need to put in the subject area is full text, please. And then I'll do my best to get it and let you know if I can. And also, when you email an article to yourself, just know that EBSCO has an internal citation writer, so you can put the button right outside the citation format and then select your style right here. And then you would just click send. So that works for all articles if you find them and they are full text. When you open them up, if it's a PDF, you'll see that the tools are across the top where you can download or print, save it to Google Drive. But if you choose that email feature, you can just put your email address in here with the subject that you'd want to put in there if you wanted to say library article. And then your citation format over here on the right, you can select MLA and then just send it to yourself. I'm going to cancel that because I'm not really going to send it to myself. Now in EBSCOhost, you'll see on the left-hand side there are some limits you can set. So if you want your time frame to not go back to 1934, you can change that and just make it the past 10 years. Just press enter. Your screen will go dark. If you only wanted to look at the entries that have the full text attached, you can click the full text checkbox right there on the left as well. And if you wanted to add some of our education databases, which might really focus on education and the inequalities found there, you can just go to the top and click on Choose Databases, and then add the 3 extra education databases, ERIC, the Professional Development Collection, and the Teacher Reference Center. Then just click OK and rerun your search. So you'll go from about 7,000 articles to about 10,000. So you picked up about 3,000 more. Now sometimes there's just a link. It doesn't say full text like this, but some of the ones that are coming from the ERIC database will just provide you a link. But again, if there are ones that you can't see a link to, but you know that you want it, just click on the title and send me an email. All right, let me know if you have any questions about how this works or if I can help you narrow it down in any way. Thanks.